I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see team-up examples in Marvel Rivals. Step 1. Navigate to your Marvel Rivals home screen and then click Heroes in the menu along the top of the screen. The Heroes menu opens. Step 2. Select Team-Ups in the submenu at the top of the screen. The symbols, names, and characters for all available team-ups in Marvel Rivals is displayed. Step 3. Click the team-up you want to see an example of. In this example, I'll click Fastball Special. A profile screen displaying details associated with that specific team-up is shown. Step 4. Click Team-Up Abilities. The Team-Up Abilities screen opens where you'll be able to click through different options to see examples of abilities that are activated associated with this team-up. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.